Hey everyone, MKBHD here. Ever thought about making money from your awesome YouTube videos? You totally can. It's called monetization, and it lets you earn money from ads on your videos. Creating great content takes time and effort. Monetization is a way to get rewarded for your hard work. Plus, who doesn't like a little extra cash? Whether you're making tech reviews, funny skits, or educational videos, monetization can turn your passion into a source of income. Ready to start earning? Let's dive in. AdSense is like the bridge between your YouTube channel and making money. It's a program run by Google that places ads on your videos. When people watch or click on these ads, you get paid. Think of it like this. You make a cool video, AdSense brings the ads, and you get a cut of the ad revenue. Pretty sweet, right? Without AdSense, you wouldn't be able to run ads on your videos and make money from them. It's a crucial step in the monetization process. Ready to start earning? First, you need to link your YouTube channel to your AdSense account. Don't worry, it's super easy. Just follow these simple steps. First things first, log into your YouTube account. Then click on your profile picture in the top right corner. See that option that says YouTube Studio? That's where we're headed. Click it. Section 5, Step 2, find the monetization section. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu with different options. Look for the one that says Monetization. It looks like a dollar sign. You can't miss it. Click on Monetization to continue. Section 6, Step 3, connect your AdSense account. Now you'll see a screen with different monetization options. If you don't have an AdSense account yet, don't sweat it. YouTube will walk you through creating one. Already have an AdSense account? Awesome. Just click the button to connect it to your YouTube channel. You'll need to enter your AdSense login details. Then just follow the on-screen instructions to finish linking your accounts. Section 7. Troubleshooting tips for a smooth connection. Having trouble linking your accounts? Don't worry, it happens. Here are a few things to check. Double-check your login details. Make sure you're entering the correct email and password for both your YouTube and AdSense accounts. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. Sometimes old website data can cause issues. Clearing your cache and cookies can help. Try using a different browser. If one browser isn't working, try using a different one like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Still stuck? No worries. YouTube has a great support team that can help you out. Section 8. The perks of connecting AdSense to your YouTube channel. Congrats! You've successfully linked your accounts. Now, get ready for the awesome benefits. Earn money from your videos. The whole point, right? AdSense will start placing ads on your videos and you'll start earning revenue. Track your earnings. See how much money your videos are making in your AdSense account. Get paid regularly. Google will send you your earnings on a regular schedule, straight to your bank account. Section 9. Start earning from your awesome content. That's it. You're all set to start monetizing your YouTube videos and earning money from your passion. Keep creating awesome content and watch your earnings grow. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. Keep creating great content, engaging with your viewers, and promoting your channel. You got this.